Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping sections and taking the first strokes that set the foundation. Work on hair that's about 80–90% dry because slight dampness helps formation. Make 1–2 wide sections and clip remaining hair away. Take a small firm brush and a pea-size amount of light conditioner or locking-friendly product. You'll use short, quick strokes toward the scalp to encourage tangling. Once you see the nap starting, make sure to keep tension consistent and repeat strokes until the base feels textured and resistant. Once the base texture is established, continue by alternating brushwork with palm rolling to shape and reinforce dreads. You'll do 10–20 brisk brush strokes toward the root, then palm roll for 30–60 seconds to compress fibers. This combined motion creates internal tangles that lock faster. Make sure to add very small amounts of residue-free product only when a section resists tangling, and always work root to tip so freeform spirals form naturally without forcing a uniform grid. To finish, you'll tidy and secure any loose ends. Twist tips gently or tuck them under the nearest locked hair so they bind as they dry. Make sure to air dry fully and sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce friction. Once dry, review each section and palm roll any weak spots daily for 2–3 weeks to encourage firming. If a section stays loose, increase short brush sessions and avoid heavy products. This troubleshooting keeps freeform dreads developing naturally rather than reversing progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.